Hello, my name is Matthew, and I learned piano from a piano studio called Oclef. It's super enjoyable and fun, but how did I find it? I was once where you might be now, looking for a suitable and enjoyable piano studio. Soon, I found one willing to teach me. Life during that period was stressful, and arguments almost always concluded a day. As a result, I was quickly fed up with this and hastily pursued a different style of learning. That's when I first heard of Oclef. I quickly grew to like the different styles of teaching that Oclef used compared to the old boring tools that my previous tutor used, and I still feel that way today. And by the end of the speech, I hope that I'll be able to convince you that Oclef is the best way to go, so you can feel that too. When I first started Oclef, I didn't have much experience playing in recitals, and normally I would play in only one every year. As a result, every time I played in one, I had a whole lot of stage fright, resulting in a ton of stress and mistakes. Always, I would be stressed out on the days before the events, and those were always the worst. After I switched over to Oclef, that drastically changed because I had to now practice play in front of a crowd every month. As a result, I got used to it and was eventually comfortable and began to enjoy. I was even able to join my school's talent show. Another thing I like about Oclef is its organized teaching method. Oclef has special tools for diagnosing and fixing every possible problem. Some include the standards matrix, which we use for helping us learn new pieces, and the memory matrix, a matrix for memorizing. This is a major advantage over the standard piano tool because you don't rely on the teacher. Not relying on the teacher is very useful when you're playing by yourself and out. So, therefore, being independent can definitely enhance your ability to perform well and will make you feel much better about yourself. Although that already tops most piano studios, my most favorite part of Oclef is really all its extra activities. Oclef does not just teach piano, it actually teaches all subjects related to music, from composition to electronic music. Not only is this fun, but we get hands-on experimentation and we also get to expand our knowledge of theory and creativity. Oclef is all about new opportunities, learning, and fun, and it really lives up to those goals. Using its innovative teaching techniques, the piano is fun for all to enjoy. A joy I hope that you will experience too. Learning from Oclef, you develop an important mindset where only you are in control of your life. And I wish that you'll be able to begin your long journey to being a piano master at the very best beginning. Oclef.